everybody, I'm Pia from Stitches and Scraps. Today I'm going to show you how to finish your work with an invisible join when crocheting in the round. The normal way to join your rounds when you finish working in the round on crochet would be to slip stitch into the first stitch of the round, and then you fasten off. Now that leaves a little bit of a bump. It's not quite smooth and round like we'd like it, and it makes an extra stitch where the slip stitch is, which is why you get that bump. So let's look at a different way. Instead of crocheting our join, we're going to sew it. So I'm going to fasten off first and then take a yarn needle and sew the join closed. With the yarn needle, I'm going to mimic the shape of the top of one of these stitches. So as you can see, just looking at any random stitch, it comes out of the center of the stitch before it, goes around underneath the stitch after it, and then back down into the center of the stitch before it. So we're going to do the same thing. Here we're already coming out of the stitch before it. So we have to go down and around underneath the next stitch, correct? So we're going to go under this stitch. Now don't pull it too tight. You want this to be the same size as all of these. So we want it about that tight, right? Now we're going to go down into the center of this stitch again to finish our V shape. When I do that, you could just go under the first bar right here, but I like to go all the way down through the center of the stitch and catch at least 2 loops, just like that. Pull it tight again, make sure that it looks similar to the stitches around it, and now you have a much more seamless finish to your circle. You can't even quite tell where that join is. So that's how you sew a seamless join when working in the round. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, or leave me a comment. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more great videos. Thanks for watching.